Hey VCA, my name is Dr. Anne Sylvestre and I am very excited to be speaking with you today. I'm a board certified surgeon with over 35 years of experience, and I spent my time roughly equally between academics, a mobile practice, and working in a large 24/7 emergency referral hospital in Oakville. I've enjoyed every aspect of it. When I had my mobile practice, that's when I appreciated how big the gap was between what us surgical specialists were able to offer to general practices compared to what the patients within general practices really needed. With that in mind, I started Focus and Flourish back in 2002, a continuing education business where I would show veterinarians how to do the common surgical procedures that I did on the road in order to help their patients. My goal was that more pets would actually get the help that they needed. Then COVID hit. Well, I thought I would just ride that wave, and when it was over, I'd start up with the hands-on workshops again, but I received so many emails from veterinarians contacting me. Do you have a video? Do you have advice you can give me? Any kind of information you can send my way regarding this surgery or that surgery, because I need to do this and I'm very uncomfortable with it. I decided I had to do my part, and I needed to figure out how to take material that normally would be hands-on and turn it into a virtual workshop. It needed to be comprehensive, complete, but mostly it needed to give advice that would be practical, that could be performed in a general practice, and that would give the veterinarian confidence to go do this surgery and help their patient. So what do you get as a member of Focus and Flourish? Because you're a corporate member, everybody that is associated with VCA has access to absolutely everything on the website. All of my workshops, right now I have 10 of them, they are all complete, comprehensive, on practical and necessary topics for general practitioners. Also, and I'm really excited about this, as of January 2024, Nancy Brock has joined Focus and Flourish. Nancy is a board certified anesthesiologist. She's my vintage, so she has a fair bit of experience behind her, and her goal is also to make a difference in the general practices, to make anesthesia just go more smoothly and be a little bit more comfortable for everybody involved, including the patient. So she will be adding an anesthesia component to some of the existing workshops, and she will also create her own standalone anesthesia seminars. As a member, you can access all of these workshops anytime. There's no time limit. That's probably the one thing that makes us a little bit different from other teaching websites, is we don't leave things on for a period of time and take them on. They're there forever for you to review as necessary. The other thing you get with the membership is webinars. So we'll have two different types of webinars. One, an informational type of webinar, which would be we pick a topic, there'll be information presented and time for question and answers through the chat. Many of these webinars Nancy and I will do together. Some webinars will be just on a surgical topic, some just on an anesthesia topic. The other type of webinar that we offer is what we call the AMAs, or Ask Me Anything. The point would be, bring your questions to us. When you register, you can write your questions down. But if you don't have a question, come anyway. Sometimes you just want to hear what other people are asking. The webinars, at least the informative webinars, will also be recorded, and they will be placed on the website for you to access at any time. So if you can't make it at the time of the webinar, you can always watch it later. The other thing as a member is you will receive a newsletter from Focus and Flourish once a week. Right now it's coming out on Wednesdays, And it's just an informative newsletter. I pick a topic, a small topic, and I make a video that goes with it, anywhere from 2 minutes to maybe 10 minutes. It might be a video of Nancy and I chatting about an anesthesia topic. I just finished one on how to do a Chinese finger trap tie. So they're just small little snippets of information for you to enjoy or not. And if you don't want anything in your inbox, you can always unsubscribe to the newsletter. That will not affect your membership. The other advantage of the Focus and Flourish membership is that there's something for the technicians as well. So we encourage you to have your technicians sign up. There are bandages, seminar. A lot of my workshops have a big rehab component to them, the post-operative care, and of course, anesthesia. We all know that although we may decide on the anesthetic protocol, the safety and the well-being of our patients in the OR depends on our technicians. So please encourage them to come and join some of our webinars and to go through some of our workshops. Final point I want to make, and both Nancy and I are on the very same wavelength on this point, is our goal is not to teach you, but our goal is to help you learn and become more comfortable in the OR. And if you're already comfortable, maybe to expand your repertoire in the OR. We're here to help. With the corporate membership, there's a lot more we can do. Once we get to know one another, maybe we can expand into hands-on workshops, a mentorship program for some of the people that do want to do more and learn more regarding specific surgical procedures or comfort with anesthesia. All of this and more can be available. I think the key is to get to know one another, see how we can help each other, but ultimately is let's just get out there and help more pets. Thank you, and I look forward to working with VCA.